right now. Oh, so time to eat. We're gonna say if it's good or bad. I think it's good. I think it's good. Try it. I like it. I like it. Good. Good. Hey. Is it good or bad? Good. Good. I'm gonna check. Hey. This is so good. This is like the floor. Is it good or bad? Good. It's good. It tastes like this, the floor. Last one. This is good. Good or bad? Good. Trivial question. Cappuccino. Avocado. Chicken. Thank you for watching that video. Bye. Hit that channel. Subscribe the video. I wish we can do another one.